I think there is a natural inclination to say, okay, if a tool can now do a particular task in a way that gives us some advantage, but I used to do that task, what does that mean for me? And I don't think this is like some massive upending and replacing of jobs. I think you look in other categories like customer support. I think there's a lot more. Okay, this is like, kind of one for one. That's not what we see. We see this is a tool for your toolkit. So it's like, okay, as a researcher, you can now deploy this strategically to gather more data to make you more of the expert, to move faster and deliver better things for you. You can still use that time that you've now saved because you didn't have to do the last 15 of those interviews or 50, right? Like you can now use that time to do 3 that really matter, and you can go deep and spend 2 hours on each of them, right? But I do think that this pushes research into maybe slightly less executional and maybe slightly more strategic, right? To be the kind of the conductor of the orchestra and not just the violinist, right? Like to actually pull together a bunch of different kinds of data to tell the story that's going to move the needle forward.